Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla Sprunki character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Sprunki, we're going to make a circle for the head. And I'm going to start by tracing the circle. I'm going to trace this big circle right here. So we're just going to make a nice big circle right here for the head of our Godzilla Sprunki. Next, I'm going to draw a line down, and then I'll make another line down. Then we'll just make a line across for the bottom. Now, I want to start right here, and I'm going to make the nose of our Godzilla Sprunki character. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. I'm going to put a little dot here and a little dot here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line across for the mouth. And I'm going to put just a couple little V shapes on here for some teeth. Next, I want to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. And then I'm going to start here, and we'll do the same thing. Just make a nice big circle for the eye. I'm going to draw a diagonal line in each one. And then we're going to make a little smiley face shape in each one for the pupils. And then you can go ahead and just color in that little area too. Then I'm going to make a line down, and then another line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes down here, and then we'll make a second one over here for some detail. And let's just go ahead and draw some little lines across. That way we can kind of make it look like this Sprunki Godzilla has like the scaly belly. Now I want to give him a tail. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to curve a line that's going to come up. We'll curve this around and bring it down to here. Next, I'm going to make a couple little points on top of here for a spike. Then we can go ahead and make some more spikes down here. And then we'll put a couple spikes on the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla Sprunki. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.